top HR communities to follow: NHRA, SHRM, HRCI, Site HR, and also a Skill Tech YouTube channel. What are the different compliances of the payroll? I'm not talking here about the labor laws, but the main things to be taken care when you are processing the payroll. That's Provident Fund, ESIC, Labor Welfare Fund, Statutory Bonus, Professional Tax, and the last one is gratuity. Now you have to comment and tell me whether gratuity is an important part of payroll, or if we don't even add gratuity in the payroll or in the CTC structure, it affects the employee or it doesn't affect the employee. I am just waiting for your answers. Please comment and let me know. In my next videos, I'll post the answer for you. What is onboarding? Onboarding is not a one-day practice. It's a complete 90-day cycle where you help the employee to get settled in the culture. We misinterpret the onboarding with just orientation. Orientation is a process in which you introduce the employee with the culture, with the team, with the management. But onboarding is the process where you are with the employee to help the employee to get settled with the process, with the job knowledge as well as with the training. So the onboarding is not a one-day process, not a 7-day process, not a 10-day process. It's a complete 90 days process.